Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share access on Ring app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, you're gonna go ahead first, open up your Ring app over here in mobile section, and then here in this you're going to go back, and this in the home interface will find the devices that you have connected over here in you from your house itself. And then afterwards what you're going to do, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on at this three horizontal line on top and tap on the settings icon given over here, and then in this section you can find all of the settings given this option called shared access. Go ahead, tap on it, and here you can see here it will show your owner's name, and if you tap on this add a user, you can go ahead, add the particular user's email address and then device access according to you, and then go ahead, enter the person's email, tap on the send invite. The person will get the invite. Once they have that verified themselves and confirm the invitation, then they will be able to be our shared user here in this Ring app. So that way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.